Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to show you how to do a pineapple block. This is the funnest block. It looks so hard, but I promise you it is the easiest block to do. Come along and let me show you how easy it is. Here are a couple quilts that I made using the pineapple tool. I will put a link in the description for this pineapple trim tool. And for each block, you are going to need one 2.5-inch square. If you were making a quilt, you would definitely want to chain piece these. I am just going to build one block to show you how to do it. You want to take your white strip and you want to put that on all four sides of your red 2.5-inch square. Pineapple tool has square boxes that have numbers. This is the first time around, so we'll be using the 1. And you want to go all around the square, trimming it just like you see me doing. Trimming each side with the 1 square where it says 1. And just like that, perfect points. Now you want to add your next color on all 4 sides. It doesn't have to look pretty, it just needs to cover each side. Once you get it ironed, you want to look for the square with the number 2. And that's the square you'll be using for all 4 sides of this block right now. If you were doing a lot of these, you probably would want to have them pre-cut, but I don't mind cutting as I go. Seems to work out pretty good for me. And when you're cutting for the sides, all you have to do is cover the side. That's your main goal, just cover each side. When you're counting the blocks to figure out which one you need, you never count the middle. So this is 1, 2, and 3. 3, 5, and 7 will always be this line. See how easy this is? Perfect points every time, and I'm not doing anything special here. Look how crazy this block looks. Completely out of shape. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now we're on 4. We find the 4 square and do all 4 sides. Now it is time for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 5, and 7 up there. I really wish all blocks were this easy to get the points this perfect every time. And then now it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we find the sixth square. I just love how messy this looks and how easy it is to go from this to the perfect block. Now it is time to do 7. And now it's time for square number 8. And just like that, your block is ready for the corners. Now I'm just measuring how much I need to fill in each corner. I come up with about 3 inches. I just wanted to show this part because sometimes it will do this when you sew, but more times than not it is because of the bobbin. If you take it out and rethread it, the problem usually goes away. And then you just want to square off the corners, and just like that, your block is done. You can make the quilt as big or as small as you want. Thanks so much for watching.